This is a 2023 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, one of Harley Davidson's premier touring bikes. This bike was designed to haul you and your passenger and your gear across country in comfort and style and safely. This bike is in like new condition. It has only 1,743 original miles on the odometer. This bike is not even remotely broke in. That's a really great metallic color. It's called Gray Haze and Silver Fortune. I'm not sure if the video is going to really show you how great the metallic is on this, but it's just a really, really nice color. Great two-tone. It contrasts really well with all the chrome on the bike. Now it comes equipped with a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, mated to a 6-speed transmission. So you have plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque, regardless of what kind of riding you're doing. If you're just out running through town or rolling through the twisties or going cross country, you'll have plenty of horsepower and torque to get the job done. And plenty of range with the 6-gallon tank. Of course, being the Ultra Limited, it has the RDRS safety system, has a tire pressure monitoring system, GPS navigation with the BOOM info center. It has Bluetooth. You can pipe your tunes into it, or you can plug it in. Nice big seat for the rider and a great seat for the passenger. Now it has a lot of really nice accessories added to it. It's got the rider's backrest, which comes in real handy for a long ride. The stock handlebars have been replaced with some Carlini style chrome bars that are about a 10-11 inch bar, so it gets the bars up for a little better riding position and a lot more comfort. Beverage holder. Kuryakin mini boards have been added for highway pegs that are adjustable. Nice big saddlebags, big tour pack with a luggage rack, and a real nice accessory that's been added to this is the Kuryakin Adjustable Tourpak rack. That's what all these are right here. You push those buttons on this side and at the other side, and the tour pack will slide back and forth to get it just right for your passenger. Pretty nice accessory. Has stock exhaust, LED lights on the tour pack. The paint is in excellent condition. I have not been able to find a rock chip or a scratch anywhere on this bike. Has the owner's manuals. The service was completed on this about 500 miles ago, so it's good to go. There's the dial for your heated grips right there. Plug in for Harley headset. Plug in down right here for your passenger, and then controls are on the other side of the tour pack. I've ridden numerous Ultra Limiteds cross country, and these bikes are just very capable, very comfortable. And a bonus on this bike is it's just an incredible metallic color. Nice LED headlight, LED driving lights. Now, if you're in the market for a new touring bike, take a good look at this 23 Ultra Limited. Super low mileage, great two-tone color, has all the right accessories on it. About the only thing really need to be added to this bike is a nice pair of slip-ons so you can actually hear the motor run. But that's easily resolved. For information on how to put this beautiful Ultra Limited in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Give us a call. We have a great out-the-door price on this bike. We do not charge what I call the mystery fees. There's no dock fees and title fees and freight fees and any of that other hooey. Just a good, honest price for a really great looking bike. Give us a call. We'll help you put this beauty in your garage. Thank you.